what's up with the Ringo family? It's your boy Steph.
And it's your girl Clay Clay.
And today we're going to be doing a seafood mukbang. So we went to DeeO's in Germantown. This is our first time trying it down in the store. We're going to see what they all about. So let's get to this video.
I got snow crab, egg, sausage, steamed bacon, and corn.
I got snow crab, eggs, sausage, potatoes, corn, fried shrimp, and hush puppies. You gonna pray?
You pray this one.
Alright. God is great, God is good. Let him thank you for our food. Amen.
Amen.
These potatoes goodness. These potatoes soft. Right.
Why you eat with a fork?
There's a problem with that, man. What's the pie? My bad, bro. You want to try one? Alright, family. What y'all got going today? How y'all day been going? I've been out and on all morning. Woke up when and got a haircut. Got the car wash. Then we went and got the food. Now we're sitting here chilling with y'all. That looks so fair.
You can fry.
I'm finna try it. Oh, yeah. You the hungry one. I know we got some seals.
You're a pretty boy. You need them, not me.
Shut up. You a pretty boy. You need it, not me.
Ooh, kind of hot there.
Talking all that noise. I was missing some butter. Mouth water, ain't it?
No, it's not me. You're a pretty boy.
Yeah, I'm a pretty boy.
Like, can't get your hand dirty.
There you go. Want me to eat messy? I don't get messy tonight at nighttime while I'm eating. That's the only time I get messy. What's good with the hot sauce? What? The nighttime food snack or the stuff I'm eating now? Both of them be on point. It's just stuff I might be having my mouth water. That's all. You're good.
The corn was sweet.
Yep, the corn good. I'm hungry, bro. Let me see the hair. Trying to be rough. There you go. God damn. Whew. They got the wrong person babysitting. Huh? They got my boy TD back there babysitting, y'all. What he say?
He asked me if they want to touch right quick to see what it tastes like.
Man, you finna feed the baby Zaxby's? Huh? You gonna feed the baby some Zaxby's?
It's gone.
He said, let's go. I should have known that was gone.
That's it.
You ain't save a fry.
Huh?
You ain't save a fry. I like how you took my shrimp.
I really on fire for that mix on.
I told you.
I gotta go work tonight.
You gonna bring that junk too full.
I'm gonna go sleep still off.
I'm finna be on the game. I wanna see it work.
This is good.
On me. We gotta try the juice crab, Nick.
I like that. I just stick with this one.
I wanna try every seafood restaurant that Memphis got.
Boy, if you don't go to sleep.
It's too early to be going to sleep.
Ooh, wait.
Try the hood stuff, bro.
I don't want that.
I don't want that. You ain't took a bite of the corn. The corn
time.
fight. I'll fight y'all. Baby had an incoming call on her phone. It was your fault.
It was not.
What you think about the corn?
It's alright. Booyah.
Give me a bite.
Nope.
Bet you won't get no more shrimp. I got it right this time. What's up, Dante?
Where you at?
At the house?
Juice wine got that jump banged up, dog.
Oh, God.
How much you paid?
$10?
$10.
Yep. Hey, shout out to my boy Kevin for beaming up the car for me today, too, y'all. If you from West Memphis,
You want?
hit up my boy
You
Kelvin.
want?
Huh?
You on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, I bet.
Alright.
Let you finish that.
Come through, bro.
Alright, man. I'm gonna come through there for, cause I was finna leave, but I'm finna.
You finna get ready to head back to school?
Yeah. She fucking doing too much. I don't leave till she go to Shania and all this shit, man. I'm just can get back to school, man. That's what we get doing.
I feel you.
She do all coming over here.
I sure been over there when nobody there when I went over there.
Yeah, that was his doctor.
That's what I figured.
Huh?
I said that's what I figured. They probably was at the doctor or something.
Well,
Well, alright then, let me finish this, bro.
I bet him.
Alright, love you.
Love her.
Alright. You know he irritated. I want to open my drink first.
Wipe your hands off and open it.
That is corn on point. Good, ain't it?
Oh, this will be drinking Lipton peach tea.
Hey y'all, that stuff fire. That stuff on point. All we've been drinking, we got every flavor of cranberry juice. Well, yeah, cranberry juice. We've been drinking tea and water. We ain't been drinking no soda. We trying to slow down on the pops and stuff. That broccoli good.
It's alright.
What?
You good eating? Don't know.
I'm not. She don't want nothing at all.
I had my phone on airplane mode.
That's what I should do. You know how my mom is though. She'll just pull up from one house. She be ready to pull up.
This feels like I can't talk.
On me. Nah, move. Don't try to go for the biggest one I had.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Is I thought you bit off this.
No. She low down, y'all. She just took the biggest shrimp I had.
smells fire.
I wish you ate Huff's puppies. Them just good too.
I don't know what our neighbor doing.
Sound like somebody tumbling down the stairs. Them folks moving something in and out every day. Then they old folks.
I ain't old, but
Well, they ain't old, but you know. Well, the mama is. If y'all ain't had DeeO's seafood, y'all need to go try them out. They on point. Juicy crab coming for you next. You brush your teeth this morning? You good and full, ain't
I'm taste this, but
you? Yeah,
They
them
hard.
tastes good. No, they ain't.
I don't want that.
Oh, you don't want
There's some yellow stuff in there.
That's corn.
I don't want that.
So you just broke my hush puppy in half.
Eat it.
Just put that in there. Let me try one.
Try one with the broccoli.
Excuse me.
You get full out this your fast. You ain't get no fries now. The broccoli on side broccoli.
It tastes good though. We still got a whole egg and everything.
No, I don't.
Oh,
Might be.
you is my beast.
Look at your eggs with hot sauce.
You gonna have a bubble good. You done did that before?
I always do it. I always did it. But my boy eggs, I used to love them, John. Salt, pepper, and hot sauce. Life.
I'm boiled eggs. I done had salt and pepper, but not hot sauce.
Seems like to me you getting full too, huh? You want your thing right there?
What? Shrimp.
I be so thirsty, I don't know why. What?
Is that face of her?
Where?
Right there.
Or was that you?
It got to be me.
Cause you always shading.
Shut up. I did go get a haircut this morning. You be seeing too. You want another? Trying to change another word. Look here, got dancing crabs.
I don't know what kind of barrel they use, but baby.
Stuff good. Damn.
You got it? Yeah, let me do it. You just turn the whole thing up.
Yeah.
Let me try another one and see what I'm working with.
What the scissors is it?
And I ain't never grab them. You really need them? Yes, you do. Pretty boy.
No, I'm trying to get the meat. Look, I still didn't get it.
I heard the pretty boys.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, barnacles, I thought I was gonna get that junk.
So you eating it from the bed? See how you always get perfect ones?
So let's look, don't speak too fast.
Man, ain't no way.
You want it?
Yeah. Need to get that one.
Which one?
Nah, you get that one.
You want them to be out here?
You can have it. Yes, say
This junk right here
smell good.
be sweet. I mean, this right here, it here be sweet. Taste it. You ain't never taste it. It's so extra. Have your hand clean.
I hope your hands clean.
Don't broke me. They can't. Who cut this one? You?
Yeah.
You broke that? How?
I don't know how.
Here. Taste it. It's sweeter than the rest of it. It tastes better. Don't.
I only got full now.
What?
Well, I ain't full,
Yes, you are.
but I feel it coming on.
You got all your sauce.
Hmm.
I was just finna get your shrimp.
It was just in time. You know to get some next time we go.
I got full.
Mm-hmm.
Time to lay down, get some rest for work.
I'm been there. Playing a game. While she getting some rest for work. Hey y'all. This was fire. I can't even lie. I got to go and get some there. Some more of that. Well, Ringo fam,
This concludes this video.
as you can see, we all done. I done got messy. I got food all over me. Shirt, pants, everywhere. So,
With that being said, be sure to like, comment down below
hey,
foods that you want us to see. Eat.
that you want us to see.
If you are new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe.
And tell your friends about us too. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend.
To tell a friend.
Alright then.
To go subscribe to the Ringo's family.
I'm telling you. And we out of here.
Peace.
Peace.